Hi there. I'm Tyler, but you can call me Ty. Yes, Ty. As in tie a tie, or tie, short of tires. The rapper. Today, we are gonna be learning the Candlestick Trading Bible. The Candlestick Trading Bible is one of the most powerful trading systems in history. It was invented by Hamamuni Hissa, the father of candlestick chart patterns. This trader is considered to be the most successful trader in history. He was known as the god of markets in his days. His discovery made him more than $10 billion in today's dollar. I have spent 10 years compiling, testing, organizing, and consistently updating this method to create my own new version, which is considered to be the easiest and most profitable trading system. The Candlestick Trading Bible is the trading method that is going to finally take your trading to where it should be: consistent, profitable, easy, and requiring very little time and effort. This trading system is based on Japanese candlestick patterns in combination with technical analysis. All what you have to do is to spend as much time as you can to master the method that I am going to share with you and use it to trade any financial market. Learning Japanese candlestick is like learning a new language. Imagine you got a book which is written in a foreign language. You look at the pages, but you get nothing from what is written. The same thing when it comes to financial markets. If you don't know how to read Japanese candlesticks, you will never be able to trade the market. Japanese candlesticks are the language of financial markets. If you get the skill of reading charts, you will understand what the market is telling you, and you will be able to make the right decision in the right time. 5. The Candlestick Trading Bible. The easy-to-follow strategies detailed in this work will provide you with profit-making techniques that can be quickly learned. More importantly, learning the principles of market psychology underlying the candlestick methodology will change your overall trading psyche forever. The Candlestick Trading Bible has already proven itself. Fortunes have been made using the Japanese candlestick strategies. I congratulate you on taking the first step in your trading education. You are on the right path to become a better trader. However, this is actually just the beginning of your trading career. After finishing this book, the real work begins. Don't read this book very fast. This is not a novel. You should take your time to understand all the concepts I discussed. Take your notes, and go back from time to time to review the strategies I shared with you. Remember, this is an educational work that will teach you professional methods on how to make money trading financial markets. If you got the skills that I shared with you here, you will change completely your life and the life of people around you. The overview. This video clip, as per the book, is divided into the following sections. 1. Candlesticks anatomy. Just as humans, candlesticks have different body sizes, and when it comes to trading, it's important to check out the bodies of candlesticks and understand the psychology behind it. That's what you will learn in this section. 2. Candlestick patterns. Candlestick patterns are an integral part of technical analysis. Candlestick patterns emerge because human actions and reactions are patterned and constantly repeated. In this section you will learn how to recognize the most important candlestick patterns, the psychology behind its formation, and what do they indicate when they form in the market. 3. The market structure. In this section, you will learn how to identify trending markets, ranging markets, and choppy markets. You will learn how these markets move and how to trade them professionally. You will also learn how to draw support and resistance, and trend lines. 4. Time frames and top-down analysis. Multiple time frame analysis is very important for you as a price action trader. In this section you will learn how to analyze the market using the top-down analysis approach. 5. Trading strategies and tactics. In this section you will learn how to trade the market using 4 price action trading strategies: the pin bar strategy, the engulfing bar strategy, the inside bar strategy, the inside bar falls breakout strategy. Trades examples. I highly recommend you to master the previous sections before jumping to this section, because if you don't master the basics, you will not be able to use these strategies as effective as it would be. In this section you will learn how to identify high probability setups in the market, and how to use these candlestick patterns in trending markets and ranging markets to maximize your profits. 6. Money management. In this section, You will learn how to create a money management and risk control plan that will allow you to protect your trading capital and become consistently profitable.
Wow, all that in one simple lesson. Now that's something to trade in my time for.
That's quite a very good decision you made there, Brenda. Now, why don't you start by taking us through the history of candlesticks as per your research through Bella Ely's book The Candlestick Bible?
Okay, Taylor, I think that section is tailor-made for me. Let me stitch it through. Now this is the summarized history of candlesticks. Candlesticks have been around a lot longer than anything similar in the Western world. The Japanese were looking at charts as far back as the 17th century, whereas the earliest known charts in the US appeared in the late 19th century. Rice trading had been established in Japan in 1654, with gold, silver and rapeseed oil following soon after. Rice markets dominated Japan at this time, and the commodity became, it seems, more important than hard currency. Muni Hisahama aka Sakuhanma, a Japanese rice trader born in the early 1700s, is widely credited as being one of the early exponents of tracking price action. He understood basic supply and demand dynamics, but also identified the fact that emotion played a part in the setting of price. He wanted to track the emotion of the market players, and this work became the basis of candlestick analysis. He was extremely well respected, to the point of being promoted to samurai status. The Japanese did an extremely good job of keeping candlesticks quiet from the Western world, right up until the 1980s, when suddenly there was a large cross-pollination of banks and financial institutions around the world. This is when Westerners suddenly got wind of these mystical charts. Obviously, this was also about the time that charting in general suddenly became a lot easier, due to the widespread use of the PC. In the late 1980s, several Western analysts became interested in candlesticks. In the UK, Michael Feeney, who was then head of TAI in London for Sumitomo, began using candlesticks in his daily work, and started introducing the ideas to London professionals. In the December 1989 edition of Futures magazine, Stevenson, who was a technical analyst at Merrill Lynch in New York, produced a paper that showed a series of candlestick reversal patterns and explained their predictive powers. He went on to write a book on the subject, and a fine book it is too. Thank you, Messrs. Feeney and Nissan. Since then, candlesticks have gained in popularity by the year, and these days they seem to be the standard template that most analysts work from. Why candlesticks are important to your trading analysis? Candlesticks are important to your trading analysis because it is considered as a visual representation of what is going on in the market. By looking at a candlestick, we can get valuable information about the open, high, low and the close of price, which will give us an idea about the price movement. Candlesticks are flexible. They can be used alone or in combination with technical analysis tools such as the moving averages and momentum oscillators. They can be used also with methods such as the Dow theory or the Elliott wave theory. I personally use candlesticks with support and resistance, trend lines, and other technical tools that you will discover in the next chapters. The human behavior in relation to money is always dominated by fear, greed, and hope. Candlestick analysis will help us understand these changing psychological factors by showing us how buyers and sellers interact with each other. Candlesticks provide more valuable information than bar charts. Using them is a win-win situation, because you can get all the trading signals that bar charts generate with the added clarity and additional signals generated by candlesticks. Candlesticks are used by most professional traders, banks, and hedge funds. These guys trade millions of dollars every day. They can move the market whenever they want. They can take your money easily if you don't understand the game. Even if you can trade $100,000 trading account, you can't move the market. You can't control what is going in the market. Using candlestick patterns will help you understand what the big boys are doing, and will show you when to enter, when to exit, and when to stay away from the market.
Now that was quite a powerful background check. I did pick up quite a few things I didn't know myself.
Yes, I really did dig in a little deep, to build the basis of my studies to trade prosperity through the candlestick method.
Great. That's the spirit. Now in the next video clip our team will take you through what really the candlestick is and how it works. Be sure not to miss the video.
That's right, if you miss, you lose out. So be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also hit the notification bell. Thank you, enjoy the rest of your day.